So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing two stocks specially for short term, and even you can carry forward them to long term as well. So first we'll discuss the complete fundamental details, and then we'll switch out to the technical charts to find out the best possible levels. So as promised, on a regular basis, I'm discussing stocks for swing followed by long term. So your duty is to watch the video till the end, follow the levels exactly and invest accordingly, and do like the videos because I am discussing all the stocks based on research and analysis. So all the stocks which we have discussed, many of them have given a very good returns in just a short span of time. So for that hard work and research, so do like it. So let's start the video. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for intraday, swing and long term. I'll provide a link in the description followed by comment section. Okay, so the first stock that we're going to discuss today is going to be Sasta Sundar Venture. So this is a very good company. So fundamentally, and if we see the short term and long term perspective also, it has some bright future. So what does the company do? So it is an online pharmacy and digital platform of healthcare. So like it's like whatever Amazon or Flipkart. So like how we order the various products. So same way it is a similar platform where we can order online medicines. All the pharma related products you can directly order from online. So that is the major business of this particular company. Okay, so if you see the market cap of the company, it is somewhere around 1700 crores. Current price is somewhere around 561 rupees. High is around 575, low is around 97 rupees. Book value of 60.3. Dividend yield is not provided by the company. So talking about return on capital employed followed by return on equity. So still they are in that negative zone. So as I told, that recognition has now only started since the lockdown when many people are not going down. So when they are shifting to that online and digital platforms, so this company also got a little bit of recognition. But now similarly third wave, whatever you are seeing, the cases are increasing again, whatever some cities lockdown is there. So when these type of things get started, so obviously online platform demand arises, especially related to pharma sector. So keep this particular stock in radar. It is looking very good and may give some huge returns in midterm to long term as well. Okay, so moving towards what are the major pros and cons, you can see pros wise the company is almost debt free. This is very important. So being a debt free and a non debt free company makes a huge difference in long term. So here the debt is almost free and the company's sales growth is around 37.08 is the last 10 years. So talking about cons, so little book value is high, interest coverage ratio and followed by return on capital employed and equity. So they are in the negative zone. Okay, so moving towards the financial section, as I told, they need to improve a little bit. So you can see the revenue is increased somewhere around 12.28%, but the rest net income, EPS, profit margin, so everything is down almost, you can see, by 100%. So it needs that increment. So let's see if this quarter goes well, so then you can expect the stock will also turn around in the coming days or weeks followed by months as well. So keep this stock in radar. So quickly let's go to the technical section. Okay, so if I talk about the website, as I told, it's also having a website. So clearly you can see this is the website of Sasta Sundar. So there's a cart, you can add whatever the medicines you want accordingly. So it has some very good interface followed by bright future as well. So you can keep this stock in radar. So as I told, quickly let's go to weekly chart and daily chart. Okay, so if you observe the technical chart, so I have brought you to daily chart. So daily chart, you can see already the stock has formed a very good inverted head and shoulder pattern. So breakout also is completed. So if you're getting a chance at current market price, you can blindly enter. So for targets of 650 and 700 very soon. So keep this thing in radar. So only thing is that the 575 is acting as a small resistance. If it breaks that 575 also, you can see a huge upside momentum. As I told, 600 and 650 can be easy for the stock in the coming days or weeks. Okay, so this is the first stock. So quickly, let's go to the second stock. Okay, the second stock that we're going to discuss today is going to be Big Block Construction. So this is also a very good company. So fundamentals wise and in terms of current situation also, the stock is very good. So this particular company was incorporated in 2015 and it is something related to the construction side. So name itself, we can understand it is something related to construction segment. So and the company in the recent times also after the demerger, it has started performing very well. So we'll try to understand the business model followed by technicals. So the main manufacturing facility, if you see about the company, it is located in Gujarat as well as Mumbai markets. And as usual, it is something related to complete construction segment. If you see the clients, major clients, we have even L&T, we have Housing Development Infrastructure, Mahindra, and these are the various clients that the company is currently having. And one more important thing that I want to tell is the promoter himself is buying a very good stake in the open market. So which is obviously a very good thing for any company. So promoter increasing stake is always considered as a positive thing. Okay, so next moving towards the financial section of Big Block, you can see in the recent times it has posted some extraordinary results. So September result, you can see almost 89.23% increment is there in terms of revenue, net income increased, net profit margin more than 902.63%. Everything is looking good in terms of financials as well. So quickly, let's go to charts. Okay, so now if you try to observe the charts, you can see stock is having a very good moment in the upside direction. Continuous back-to-back momentum is there. So I can suggest you can to add in small portions. So don't put entire investment at a time. So try to put small portions steadily. The stock will go in the upside direction. Even if it's retracing, you can take that 65 as a very good support in the near term. So you can expect targets. First target would be somewhere around 90. Second, you can expect 100 plus also. So stock wise, it's a very good. You can switch either for short term followed by long term. All right. So these are very good companies. Keep them in radar for the coming sessions. So any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDerivIT. So until then, stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.